In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. By the end, your site's menu will smoothly scroll visitors to specific sections on a page, like About, Services, or Contact, creating a polished, user-friendly experience. First, open your Wix editor. To create an anchor, click the plus icon to add elements. From the panel that opens, choose Menu and Anchor, then select Anchor. An anchor is simply a marker you drop on the page so your menu can jump directly to that spot. Drag and drop the anchor to the exact section you want to see. A helpful tip here, place the anchor slightly above the section's heading instead of right on it. This prevents fixed headers from covering your title when the page scrolls. You can always fine-tune its position later if the scroll lands a little too high or low. With the anchor selected, give it a clear name. Use something descriptive and short, like About, Shop, Side, or Contact. This name is for linking and selection, so keeping it simple will make it easier to read later, especially if you add more anchors. Next, let's connect this anchor to your site menu. Open the Pages or Site menu panel by clicking the Pages icon in the editor. Choose Add Menu Item. When the add options appear, select Anchor as the type. Now, you'll be prompted to choose where this menu item should link. Pick the page that contains your anchor, then choose the anchor you just created from the list. Confirm your selection and click Done. You'll now see the new menu item appear in your site menu. You can rename the visible menu label to match your site's style or tone, and you can drag it to reorder the menu if needed. The label can be different from the internal anchor name. What matters is that it points to the correct anchor. Time to test it. Click Preview in the top right of the editor. In preview mode, click the new menu item and watch the page scroll to the anchored section. If the scroll lands a little off, return to the editor and nudge the anchor up or down until it feels perfect. If you see multiple anchors with similar names, double check you selected the right one in the menu item settings. That's it. You've linked a menu item to an anchor in Wix, giving visitors a smooth, professional way to navigate your page.